Hello dear students, welcome back to your biology class. You are strong boys and strong girls and I know you must be absolutely healthy. Students, in our previous lecture we discussed carbohydrates and activities to detect presence of carbohydrates in given food sample, and in today's lecture we shall discuss fats and proteins. So that is fat. Yes, fats are also energy giving food and they have a huge quantity of energy within them. Okay, so these fats, they provide us energy and they produce energy much more than the energy that is produced by carbohydrates. Yes, these fats, they provide us energy and they produce much more energy than the carbohydrates provide. Though carbohydrates are also energy giving food, yet the amount of energy produced by fats is far greater than the amount of energy produced by carbohydrates. Now, what are the food items which we have in our daily diet which are rich in fats? So, we know there are two types of food items or there are two types of food sources. What were they? Plant source and the animal source. So, there are certain substances of plant origin that are fat rich. Again, there are some substances from animal origin that are fat rich. So, let us check out milk products. Yes, milk products like butter. Butter is almost all fat. A large quantity of butter is fat.
Hello students. So in this class we will discuss about the identity for addition and multiplication and also patterns in whole numbers, and we will solve also different kind of practice questions, right? So let's move. Next thing we will discuss about the additive identity. So what is the meaning of additive identity? Let's look at here everybody. 0 is called the additive identity of a whole number because it maintains the identity of the number during the operation of addition. Okay, so let's understand by the example is that if you take any whole number, okay, and if you add 0 to that whole number, so what number becomes? Means that again you will get that same whole number. Okay, it means it maintains the identity of the number during the operation of addition. Let's understand, if you take whole number is 6, okay, and if you add 0 to this number, then what will you get? Again the number is same number 6, and if you add 0 to that whole number is 6, then again you will get the answer is 6. Okay, it means it maintains the identity of the number, means same number you will get. So this is called the additive identity. Are you getting my point? Next example is that if you take 7 as a whole number and if you add to this 0, then you will get the answer is same number, that is 7. Okay, and if you add 0 to that whole number 7, then again you will get the answer is 7. Okay.
Hello students, welcome to this amazing session of fiber to fabric. In our previous video, we have discussed about the natural fibers, okay, synthetic fiber, that means we have done the classification of fiber on the basis of their origin and on the basis of their length. Now in this lecture, we will be discussing about the main natural fiber and the plant fiber, that is about the cotton, its properties, its uses and the various things. So let's begin. So students, you have been given some homework, okay. Now we need to check your answer, okay. So we are going to discuss here some of the questions which were given to you in your homework, that is as check your concept, okay. So let's begin with the answers. The first one says that how did people cover their bodies, okay, when the clothes were not known, okay, when the clothes was not known. How do the people, they cover their body? They cover their body with the help of the leaves, the barks, okay, with the help of grass, so with the help of animal skin also. So these were some of the things, okay, from which they used to cover their body in the cold weather condition, in the warm weather conditions.
So dear students, in our last lecture we have studied about various body parts measurement, or you can say the measurement using various body parts, their limitations, why we need a standard unit, and we have also done numericals on conversion of meter, centimeter and millimeter. Now in this topic or in this lecture, we will be studying about motion and its type, because our chapter is divided into two parts. The name of the chapter is measurement and motion. We have discussed the measurement part. Now we will be discussing about the motion and its types. Okay, and also we will be discussing about the discussion question, that is how to measure the length using a divider in this lecture. Now in this lecture we will be talking about discussion questions which we have given you in the last lecture, and the question was using a divider to measure length, means how to use the divider or how to measure length using a divider. So let us read how to write the answer in the examination. Now you can see there are two diagrams. First diagram is of divider only, which you can find in your geometry box. If we have to find the distance between 2 points, which is P and Q,